chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah. Man of the hour, man of the hour, and I swear I got that power, the power to devour all you cowards looking at me sour, trying to get mine. I've been chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah. Man of the hour, man of the hour, and I swear I got that power, the power to devour all you cowards looking at me sour, trying to get mine. I've been chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah. This world's so distant, but that don't ever stop me. Y'all need to listen up promptly before ever trying to doubt me. That money and power, shit's overrated. Y'all sound sour, so dictated. You mad after what I created, a masterpiece in the book you're making, like, yeah, no time to sleep. You can hug your pillow.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing good, staying safe. You know the drill. This is Lyfe Projects, and we got another video for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. This is going to be a little bit different from the other videos because I'm actually going to do an unboxing experience for you guys. So I got a couple modifications here that I want to unbox and show you. They are very good addition for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. So before we start this video, if you guys could please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. Alright guys, let's get this started. So we got one box here, one box, and then we have another box here. Put this in there. It's a bigger one, right? So we got a bigger one and then a medium sized one. So let me put this up here. Let's open the first box. Boxing knife. If anybody wants to take a guess what it is in the comments, you can do so now. All right, there it is. Moto. Wonder what this can be. Hold on guys, let's open it. Helpful packaging paper. So what is it? It is an oil catch can for the Type R. Give me a second here while I get this part open, I guess. Wow, that's like really tight. Look at it though, y'all. Over there. So it looks like here's the bracket. I'm actually going to leave these in the packaging, but here's the bracket. Here's the catch can. And here's the lines that go to the PC valve, and obviously the other one catches the oil. So one to the PCV valve, one to the intake. That's what it looks like. And then you have it looks like a Moto air freshener or something, I would say. You guys let me know what this is. Looks like it's an air freshener, and then it's got a manual too, so pretty cool. All right, so that was the first box. Now before I open the other one, I just want to say, you guys, the HKS exhaust should be here by Tuesday or Wednesday of this week coming up. and then Friday I will get it installed. Most likely I'm going to go to FAT, which stands for Forced Air Technologies, and they're located in Phoenix, Arizona. So yeah, it's going to be kind of a drive, right? But they do a lot of work on Type Rs here, so it should be a very good addition. All right guys, let's open the second one. Now this box I already had to open because UPS makes you open it in front of them to make sure that nothing is damaged or anything like that. Just want to show you guys this Adams Ceramic Coat Boost Spray. Adams Polishes Premium Ceramic Line. This is for the ceramic coat on the vehicle to obviously protect it and give it that lustrous shine. Not lustrous, lustrous shine. There we go. Don't even know why I said that. All right. So next one, look what we got here, guys. Yup, OP7 tail lights, right there. So it'll look like this way. Bracket goes that way, and this is the right side passenger, because these 7 right here, this little angle, it goes inward, and it's also OLED sequential turn signal, so it's going to be awesome. That's the first piece. The second piece goes like this, which is the top layer to connect up to here. So that'll be the top light, and yeah, I want to show you guys it has premium packing materials. Pull up the next light here. Check out this one. So it goes like that. So 1, 2, right and left. So they just face inward just like this. Each edge connects. So I think these are pretty cool. I like these a lot more than the HRS tail lights. I think they have a better look to them. They're unique, in my opinion. So, yeah, that's that. But anyways, just wanted to show you those unboxings. And, yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think these are 2 great additions for the car. The oil catch can is obviously going to catch the unwanted or unneeded oil from the PCV valve and the intake. So everything should be good with that. I can easily install that like 20-25 minutes. And then the tail lights, well, they're OP7, they're OLED. They have a sequential turn signal to them. I think they look great and should be a great addition. All right guys, much love and blessings. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. It's a pretty short video, but if you could, like I said again, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Lyfe Projects. We out.
Rise up, people, rise up. Gotta get it up and ballin'. Couple nights with the flow, all night sparking the glow. Tell them how we feel, this shit's so real. Everyone need to chill and just fly away until we die. Fly away.